Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. On which principles does Islam base? Hope you will share this video so others can benefit from this information. Islamic faith is based on 5 principles. Number 1, to bear witness that there is no true deity save Allah and that Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his chosen true messenger. Number 2, to establish prayer 5 times a day. Number 3, to pay zakat. Number 4, to perform Hajj. Number 5, to observe fast during the holy month of Ramadan. I would like to ask your permission with good prayers. Allah Hafiz.